Does the thought of standing up in front of the camera make your stomach do somersaults? Well, that's exactly what used to happen to me as well. I truly believe that no one is born to be on camera. It's a muscle we train. I'm about to take you through my 7-day video exercise. It was one of the key factors that made me feel more comfortable in front of the camera. Here is how it works. On day 1, before you pour your bowl of cereal, I want you to prop your phone up and hit record. And then I want you to tell the camera, what are your plans for the day, how are you feeling, and what are you having for dinner? Here's a really important part. When you feel yourself naturally pause or struggle to say anything else, press stop. Save this clip to your phone. Don't panic, you don't have to share this on social media or show anyone. It's for your eyes only. Phew! Then just crack on with your day, and I want you to repeat this process tomorrow and for the rest of the week. Remember, don't force yourself to keep speaking. When you run out of stuff to say, press stop. The idea here is to make you feel more comfortable on camera, not uncomfortable. On day 7, I want you to rewatch all 7 clips and just notice how much more comfortable you look. Really pay attention to your body language and what you're saying in each clip. I'm on a mission to make talking to camera just as much of a natural routine as brushing your teeth. This exercise will help a lot.